In 1919, Boston was buried under a wave of molasses moving 35 miles per hour. A massive storage tank owned by a rum company ruptured without warning. 2 million gallons of molasses exploded into the streets of the North End. The wave was taller than a two-story building. It crushed buildings, derailed a freight train, and killed 21 people. Horses drowned in it. Rescue workers couldn't pull victims free. Survivors said they heard the tank groan before it blew. The cleanup took weeks. Locals claimed the streets smelled sweet every summer for decades. The company blamed anarchists. A court ruled otherwise and fined them heavily. It remains one of the strangest industrial disasters in American history.